Mother of social media influencer Donna-Lee Donaldson hospitalized after hearing about the development in the case. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. It has been reported that the mother of Donna-Lee Donaldson has been hospitalized due to her health worsening as her daughter remains missing. Sophia Logg, the mother of missing social media influencer, was reportedly admitted to the University Hospital of the West Indies following a continuous deterioration in her health since her daughter disappeared 16 days ago. The reports of Miss Logg's hospitalization came from numerous media houses, but there are currently no details on her condition. Miss Logg had led a campaign for justice for her daughter unsolved disappearance, and during last week protests at Constant Spring Police Station, it was revealed that Miss Logg was rushed to hospital. In the meantime, Miss Donna-Lee Donaldson's boyfriend, Constable Maitland, was arrested yesterday in connection with her disappearance. The investigation continues. Links 007 TV will continue to track these stories plus more to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV News. Thanks for watching.